In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to enable paper type on Epson L120 printer driver in your Windows 11 or how to fix your paper type is being grayed out in your Epson L120 printer. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I want you to copy the link that I have given at the description box below. Once you've copied it, please open your Google Chrome and at the address bar, please make a right click and click on paste and click on the enter key in your keyboard and that way you'd be able to be navigated on this Epson L110. So Epson L110 supports with Epson L120. So we need to download this one. So by that, navigate to the drop-down menu, click on this down arrow key and select for Windows 11. Once that in a few moments you'll be able to see this list. Please proceed to drivers. There you can see the printer driver. Click on download to continue. In a few moments, it will ask you first to agree on the license agreement before you can download it. So just have to click on accept and in that way you can now start the downloading process. So to check the progress, you can navigate to the top right corner, click on this download icon and that way you can check it. So in my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in case if you haven't yet, then wait until it would be completed. Once done, you can see their folder icon, click on it and here at this location, you need to make a right click and then click on the cat icon. Okay. Make a right click and click on cat icon. Once done, close the window being opened. Here at the desktop, make a right click and then you need to click on paste. Once you have pasted the file here, okay, you need to double tap to extract or unzip it or either make a right click and then use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So you can use your WinRAR if you have in your computer to extract it. So go with WinRAR and click on extract to L110. So kindly wait until you'd be able to create a new file folder before we proceed to the next step. So before before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Okay? And please hit the bell button so that you'll be updated to more upcoming tutorial like this. Okay? So by that here at the start, make a right click, then you need to scroll up and click on settings. And here, please navigate to the left pane, find for an option which is called Bluetooth and devices. And under the Bluetooth and devices, you'll see this option called printers and scanners. All you need to do is you need to proceed to option L120 and then navigate to printer properties. Once you click on it, wait until you can open this window where here you need to find for an option which is the, let me just find it first. Okay, which is the advanced. So we need to navigate to advanced. There you can see your driver. Click on new driver and click on next. And then click on have disk. And you need to click on browse. Now from here, please proceed to the desktop where extracted file is being placed to. Find the extracted file, double tap, which is Epson L110. Then double tap again. And then double tap until you can see the driver. Select on that. Then click on open. Click on OK. And then here, click on it. And then click on next. Then click on finished computer. Okay. Once you've restarted it, you'll be able to enable paper type on Epson L120 printer. Okay. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.